Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can restore deleted files or folders in OneDrive. So let's get right into it. Now, OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage service, pretty much the same thing as Google Drive is for Google. And as I've said, it is a storage service, meaning you can upload your own files to it, to your account. And you can access them from different devices, make backups, transfer them from one device to another, and so on and so forth. The possibilities are not endless, but they are vast, and they are very useful, so do check it out. However, as with Google Drive or with any other file management system, you are able to delete those files, and before you permanently delete them, they will be brought to your recycle bin. And this is how you restore them from your recycle bin. But yeah, what you want to do if you've accidentally deleted a file, and if you didn't delete it permanently, that's pretty much it. You cannot restore them. But yeah, what you want to do is just go to a recycle bin, locate the files that you want to restore, and then just select them and click on the restore button. If you're on a, for example, school system, you will need to show your personal vault items before deleting any items so that you can see them in your personal vault once you delete them. But yeah, it's pretty much the same as in your computer. If you've accidentally deleted some from your computer, just go to your recycle bin, right click on the file, or just select the files, then right click, click restore, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.